Eucalyptus's tutorial is here. Let's take out a whole twist stick and fold it in half. Let's cut it off from the top. Okay, let's take out half of the twist stick and make a small hook on the top. Let's go in this direction and make it circle. The more circular, the better. Let's go in a circle in one direction. The diameter of this circle is 2 centimeters. At the end, we leave 2 centimeters and then pass it through its center point. Pull it over and fix it. Okay, let's measure it again. Its diameter is about 2 centimeters. Using the same method, we make 11 pieces of the same size. Let's take out the flower stem and the floral tape. Wrap the floral tape from the bottom up to the top of the flower stem and attach the first leaf. Wrap it 2 centimeters downwards and we'll start assembling the second layer of leaves. Starting from the second layer, we'll have 2 leaves. 2 centimeters further down, we assemble the third layer of leaves. The third layer of leaves is in the gap between the second layer. Okay, put another leaf on the other side. In the same way, we assemble all the leaves. Okay, after assembling all the leaves, we wrap the stem around the top. Next, let's sort the leaves and break off each leaf. Let's give it a slight curve to make it look more natural. Okay, we have completed a bunch of flowing leaves.